In this video, you'll learn how to use email templates in Pipedrive to save time, keep your messaging consistent, and make follow-ups effortless. Email templates are a simple way to save time, keep your messaging consistent, and make follow-ups effortless. If you've ever found yourself retyping the same outreach, reminder, or thank you note, templates will be your new best friend. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Sales Inbox. Next, at the top left of your sales inbox, click New Email. Now, look for the Choose Template dropdown inside the Composer. Click that dropdown. Go ahead and select a template. As soon as you choose one, the subject and body will fill in automatically. Many templates include placeholders, such as the recipient's name or organization, which Pipedrive can merge from your contact records. You can personalize the tone, tweak a sentence or two, or add context relevant to your conversation. Your email signature will remain intact. This is also a good moment to add any necessary attachments or double-check that the message aligns with your goal. That's all there is to it. Click Sales Inbox, create a new message, open the Choose Template dropdown, and select the one you need. With just a few clicks, you'll send consistent, professional communication every time. Now, you're ready to streamline your outreach with email templates. In this video,
Try sending one to
you'll learn how
yourself
to use
first to
email
see how it
templates
looks
in
from the
Pipedrive
recipient's
to save
perspective,
time,
and
keep your
start
messaging
saving time
consistent,
on every
and make
email.
follow-up